Hi kids! Welcome to our amazing journey through the solar system. Today, we'll learn all about our sun and the 8 wonderful planets that orbit around it. Ready? Let's go! This is our solar system. At the center, we have the sun, which is a giant ball of hot, glowing gas. It gives us light and heat, and it helps the planets stay in their orbits. First up is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's very hot during the day and freezing cold at night. It's also the smallest planet in our solar system. Next is Venus. Venus is about the same size as Earth, but it's covered in thick clouds that trap heat. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Now we have our home, Earth. Earth is the only planet we know that has life. It has water, air, and everything we need to live. After Earth comes Mars, the red planet. Mars is covered in red dust and has the tallest volcano and the deepest canyon in our solar system. Scientists are very curious about Mars and even send robots to explore it. Now, let's meet the giant Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system and has a storm called the Great Red Spot that is bigger than Earth. It has many moons, too. Check out Saturn with its beautiful rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. It's the second largest planet and has over 80 moons. Next, we have Uranus. Uranus is a bit of a mystery. It spins on its side and has faint rings. It's a cold, icy planet, far from the sun. Last but not least, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It's a windy and stormy place with beautiful blue colors. And there you have it, kids. Our solar system with its 8 amazing planets. Remember, the sun is at the center, keeping everything in place. Thanks for joining our space adventure. Keep looking up at the stars, and who knows what you might discover. Goodbye, little astronauts. See you next time.